Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can fix microphone not working on your FaceTime. So go to settings first on your phone, scroll down until you see privacy and security, go to the microphone section and make sure it's enabled. So for instance, if it's like this, you're just going to enable it. I don't have FaceTime opened right now, so that's why it's not there, but you're just going to enable it. Sorry. And then you are going to go back. You're going to go to the FaceTime here and just toggle it on and off. Well, just like turn it on and off for like a reset, like a quick reset. But that's pretty much it. You can also go to general and see if there's any software updates, and you're just going to want to make sure you've updated your phone to the latest iOS version. I can't like update anymore. Well, I can, but like until just like the iOS 16. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.